In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to customize the panels on the right side in Affinity. You can freely drag, rearrange, or even float panels wherever you want, like moving the Layers panel to the left or snapping it back into place. Once you've arranged things the way you like, you can save that layout as a preset by going to Window, Panels, Add Preset, giving it a name, and instantly restoring it later whenever needed. You can also manage, rename, or delete presets from the same menu. Another quick way to control your panel setup is by clicking the drop-down arrow on any main section, choosing Panels, and toggling on or off anything you want to appear. Everything you disable can still be accessed anytime through the Window menu, where all panels are neatly organized. After resetting the workspace, you can also switch to Pixel Studio and customize that layout too, turning off things like Color, Histogram, History, or Navigator if you don't use them, while keeping important ones like Layers, Stock, and Transform. This gives you a cleaner, more focused workspace that feels similar to Photoshop, especially with the extra room in your Layers panel. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you build a workspace that feels perfect for you.